welcome back. I'm testing out some new lighting today with my therapy light. Let me know how it looks. Also, I got a new mirror. It's weird doing this because I can see my reflection go by. So I have not done my skin yet, and I've done my like morning skincare routine, which is pretty simple. Glossier solution, and then circumference serum, and then priming moisturizer rich from Glossier, and this is the Westman Atelier foundation stick in the lightest shade, which is low-key a little dark and yellow for me, but it blends in really well. You can kind of see back here it's like extra yellow, but I think that just cancels out my pinkness really well. And I've found that dabbing it on kind of gives the most even coverage. And I'll do a little extra around the nose. How do you feel about my new mirror? Chic now? And sometimes I take like a little bit on my finger, depending on the like breakout situation right there. Enough of that. And then I'm gonna do Glossier Boy Brow and Blonde. Boy brows on. So I have two Pat McGrath palettes, and so then in both of these there's really similar warm brown tones. The one in this Red Holiday palette is the one that is lighter, so I'm going to use that first, and then I'm just going to use a little Sephora brush. I'm going to put a tiny bit on, and I'm just going to do a little bit kind of along the crease. So this is kind of a crease color. And this is a look that I like to feel like super lived in. So I'm not going to put an eye primer down. I like to do like a little like outer V shape. And for this look, I also like to bring it underneath and connect it out. I'm not gonna do like any liner on this guy. Like a no tight lining situation is what's gonna happen. Alright, and so I have a clean brush handy just for this. On the outer, like, upper V there. Alright, and so now I'm going to go in with my finger into this guy. It has a name. I don't know it. And it's this weird, like, reddy silver color that worked really well. Like, on its own, when I was trying to put it on, I was like, this is too red. But along with these kind of red tones that have smoked it out a bit, it looks really pretty. And so this is just going around like the lid. There's almost like a green reflect in it too, which I quite like. Looks really good, really lightly applied. Just kind of the center of the eye for more of a day look when I'm going to holiday parties. But so now that we've got this on, I'm just going to take a tiny bit of the brown shade in here and just put that in the outer V, just so it looks, just to add a little bit more dimension for the outer corner. And then that I'm gonna add just to the bottom, like outer third. Oh shit, kitty's going crazy. And that's the eyeshadow done. It's looking like I need to kind of smoke this up. Okay, I did, the camera died, so I like wiped off some of the fallout. And all I have left really that I want to do is some highlighter, and I've been really into how the Gold by Pat McGrath has been looking on my skin. And I've just been taking the highlighter side and kind of getting it up in the temple, just a little bit on the like upper bridge of my nose. some there because there's some left on my finger. And then I'm just gonna do a tiny bit of this Makeup Forever lip liner in 3C. Just on the outer corner and to define my Cupid's bow, and then we're just gonna put some gold lip gloss by Chanel on. It's like one of their lip toppers. Great formula, super moisturizing. And I don't think I brought some blush, but whenever I do such a crazy eye like this, blush feels like too much. Like just a little highlighter that makes it look like I'm glowing, it feels like enough. Like I want the rest of the face to feel really bare and like I'm not wearing makeup, so I don't look like a Instagram makeupper, you know? It's like I put my makeup on Instagram, but it's just not part of that. I don't like that vibe. Excuse the helicopter noise. I don't know. I've got zits. I'm breaking out. Whatever. Doing what I can to not have that be an issue, you know? Alright, well, thank you for watching. Happy holidays. I'm gonna try and get a, like, favorites of 2018 video up. Just of, like, products I've been vibing with, makeup looks I've been vibing with for all of y'all. Bye.